I get water from the water dispenser. I put the glass in the dishwasher. I wash the dishes in the sink. There's a teaspoon, a tablespoon, a knife, a butcher's knife, some tongs, a slotted spoon, a wooden spatula, a ladle. I sharpen the knife with the sharpening steel. I open the can with the can opener. I peel the vegetables with the vegetable peeler. I close the cutlery door. I put the glass in the cupboard. I put the food in the freezer. I put the juice in the fridge. I eat the fruit from the fruit bowl. I bake cookies in the oven, or the toaster oven. I put cookies in the cookie jar. I put the food in the microwave. I heat the food in the microwave. I take out the food of the microwave. I turn on the water. I wash the potatoes. I wash the zucchini. I shake off the water. I take them to the island. Chop the potatoes with my knife. I use a knife and a cutting board to chop the zucchini. I put the vegetables in the bowl. I chop the onion with a knife on the cutting board. I turn on the stove. I heat up the tomatoes. I warm up the frying pan. I put in some oil. I fry the onions in the oil. put in the pasta. I mix the pasta in the oil. I put the tomatoes in the blender. I mix the tomatoes and the water in the blender. I put the liquid into the frying pan. I stir it with a spatula. I put some salt in the mortar and pestle. I crush the tomatoes and the chili. I put the vegetables into the boiling water. I stir it with a spatula. I put the pasta into the bowl using a ladle. I put the meat and vegetables and broth into the bowl. Now it's time to eat.